Kim here of YugaTech, and the past couple of weeks I've been taking my sweet time with the VIVO V11. So I'm about 98.3765% sure that I know this phone inside and out. And if you ask me which features I like the most, I'd say the cameras and the biometric security. Of course, I'm talking about the under-display fingerprint scanner. But am I? Well, it's cool and all, but what I really want to talk about is the other biometric feature, the real underdog, Vivo's Face Unlock feature. So, face-based smartphone security has been around for quite some time at this point, with folks like Apple and Samsung popularizing it. But now, well, it's pretty much everywhere. Vivo actually first introduced a Face Unlock feature last year, with the V7. And based on the reviews, I can easily say that they've come a long way. The technology has improved vastly. So ever since AI technology has become a mainstay in Vivo smartphones, naturally, face detection and recognition algorithms have leveled up quite a bit. And we can prove this by seeing what this phone is made of. I really want to push Face Unlock to the limit. So let's do it. Alright, so I'm gonna reset the Face Unlock by registering my face as it is now, with my hat on, my hair down, and with no makeup at all. Alright, so we're gonna try and register my face with my hat on, my hair down, and again with no makeup. And let's see how fast it can register a face. Alright, easy as that. A few seconds, your face gets registered. Okay, so we're gonna close the phone and we'll try one scenario where I'm gonna tilt my head and see if it will unlock the phone. And so right now it's locked. Let's see if we can unlock it with my head tilted a little bit. It works. Try it again. Again, it's locked. Wait. Works again. Next scenario, we're gonna try to unlock it with my eyes closed. Let's see if that will work. Again, it's closed. Still closed. Doesn't work. Nope. It won't unlock it with your eyes closed. Alright, so next scenario, we're gonna try it with my nose covered. Again, it's locked. It unlocks it. Let's try it again. Locked. It unlocks it even when you cover your nose. Next one, we're gonna try to unlock it with my mouth covered and see if it works. Again, this one's locked. Unlocks it. Let's try it again. Locked. Works. Next, we're gonna try it with half my face covered. And it's locked. Locked. Surprisingly, it still works. So now we are gonna try to unlock it with a different photo. Same face, of course, it's still me, but on a phone, and try to unlock the V11 from this photo. It doesn't work. Let's try to take my photo right now and see if it works that way. Nope, doesn't work. Alright, so we're gonna try another option. We'll try to record my face, a short clip or video, and see if it can unlock the V11. So we're gonna play it back and see if it will work. Nope, it doesn't. Let's try again. Nope, nope, nope. Does not work at all. Alright, so we have Wacky here, and let's see if we can unlock the phone with someone else beside me. It does. Locked. Okay, it works. Alright, so we're gonna try to unlock the phone with my hair covering my face and see if that will work. Now you're gonna really see me ugly. But anyways. Nope, it doesn't work. No. Back to the hat. And so we're also gonna test out the face unlock feature and see if it can recognize my face through a photo. This is me. Right? Okay. It's locked. Still locked. Nope, it does not recognize my face on the photo. And for the next test, we're gonna try to unlock the phone with wacky faces. Why are you all putting me into this shame? It still opens it up. Even with my eyes crossed, it still recognizes it. Okay, for the last two tests, remember I registered my face with my hat on. Now we'll try to see if it recognizes my face, removing the hat. It actually just did. So yeah, it's locked. Easy. And then we're gonna put sunglasses on and see if it will still recognize my face. It's locked. It did. So recognize me. And as much as I enjoyed playing with Face Unlock, here's my verdict. For most lighting situations, even in the dark, the VIVO V11 only needs the light coming off its screen to register my face. Even in the dark, unlocking the phone with my face only takes under a second. And since it works even with tilting my head at different angles or sideways, we're pretty certain that it uses 3-dimensional face scanning. So as long as it can trace your eyes, your nose, lips, it still works. But interestingly, covering different parts of my face gives different results. So covering my nose and mouth is okay, but it doesn't work if it can't see my eyes. This could mean that the eyes are a big part of their algorithm. And with all these situations, it's fast. There is a quick recognition mode available, but I highly suggest you guys keep this one off. Yeah, it will work faster, but it will actually increase the possibility of unlocking the phone with the picture. In our testing, we weren't really able to pull it off, but, better safe than sorry. So yeah, with that, I can tell that the V11 has a pretty good face unlock performance. And if you don't believe me, I dare you. I dare you to go to a store and try it out for yourself. Maybe even try different scenarios and let us know in the comment section down below with the results. And before you forget guys, even though the face unlock feature is fast and efficient, the safest and most secure way of unlocking your V11 is still obviously the in-display fingerprint scanner. And that wraps it up. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Once again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!